Hi there, this is Leo Locher and this is another video of the DIY Phoenix series, the book I've written about keeping going in difficult times. And one of the things I keep going on about is the invitation to celebrate and track milestones and to really reward yourself for keeping going with that change you want to make. And one thing that I'm particularly passionate about, it's not just about doing the immediate thing, but it's also about, does this give back? Does this make life easier for other people? Does this increase the wiggle room? Am I building something for the long term? Those kind of things. So obviously we want to, for example, make our current situation better and really do something with that. But this is also about a bigger contribution to make life easier and better for everyone else as well. So as you're checking in with what you're doing, as you're designing plans, milestones and so on, keep that in mind as well. This is very much about you, and it's not just about you, if you see what I mean. Go for it.